Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the setInt8 method. So what it does, it is store a signed 8-bit integer, in bytes, and a specified value in return at the state of the data view. So if you don't watch the 32 or 16 bits, this video is for you. It's go hand in hand. So what we're gonna do is create a buffer with a new shared array buffer and pass the bits in 16. And now what we're gonna do is create a view, and that would be the new data view for that. And instead of integers to 32-bit, pass 8, and the highest 32-bit integer is 127. And it goes hand in hand with the set get 8 integer. So hope you guys on that. And then when we do that, it's gonna give you the highest max signed 8-bit integer. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.